Good morning, a brand new morning and a brand new hike back up into the mountains. We're in this area and we're going to be walking for how many miles today? 12, 13, 14,
I'll let you know
20 miles.
No, about 14, say 14 worst
About 14 miles worst case scenario.
Might be less.
More caches to find and more views to see. Starting with walking underneath their motorway. Leaving civilization behind, and we're heading up, into the mountains. Is that the sound of the frogs then?
I think it must be. The walk we're doing is called Frogs. So if it was a little bit more rainy, this may be a lagoon or something.
Ooh. Ooh.
Yeah.
We found the water and we think actually the sound's coming from down there.
Can you zoom into that little pond?
Yeah, zoomed in, but
Can't see anything.
come out, little frogs. So all this used to be a park. We guess open to the public, but it's definitely abandoned. That's where we heard the frogs down there. Toilet blocks, not in use. We're now walking in a riverbed. The weather's dry, so oh, mind you, there's a bit of a cloud there, so be aware of flash floods. Walking through the cactus. Cactus, cacti, cactus, cacti.
See all this new growth. Look, I'm just seeing how it's dark green.
Oh yes.
Yeah.
Yes, nature with Simon and Elaine. A cactus that's growing. Not before your eyes, but there we go. We've reached the top of the loop, and we were told yesterday, around about here, we would find this. We do have a habit of finding abandoned vehicles on our walks. Seen better days, isn't it? So we've walked almost 9 kilometres and now we're heading back via the other half of the loop.
6.5 miles.
6.5 miles.
If you're wondering.
Are you wondering? Is that about another 6.5 miles?
No.
7.
4.
Right, Elaine thinks it's 4. I think it's about another 6.5.
So the whole walk yesterday was 7.5, so it can't be 6.
Could be. I bet you it could be another 6.5 miles. Let's see who's right. Oh, Elaine's going for 5. Yeah. See, she's already up to game. I'll say 6, another 6.5. And Elaine will go 5. Let's find out. So we walked all through this valley. And now we're going up the side to the top. We've got to go all the way along there. And then we'll be walking back along the top. So we're back down by the golf course, Mrs. Gill.
We are.
Who's won?
Wow. We've done.
What, was it your 4 miles or?
We've done 12 miles.
12 miles, and we've done 6.5 by the time we get to that point. So
And
who's the closest?
The car is over there.
Yes, that's going to add.
Mile. But we can't just walk over there. We've got to walk round. We've got to have another mile there. Yikes.
So unfortunately, I win.
Unfortunately.
Oh dear. Been a good walk. Need a buggy. Should we hijack a golf buggy? The only thing is, if we did hijack a golf buggy, I think they'll catch us. Yum yum. One of our 5 a day. This will not last long. Don't eat it, it'll melt.
We started our walk at 9 o'clock. It's now 5:22. 14 miles.
Hooray!
Shall we zoom out? Let's zoom out and see if you... All those boxes. Oh, let's see if we can get it all in. That's what we've done today. We've gone all the way up there, all the way up here, all these little open boxes and all the way back down, all the way around the coast, back up to the car.